How to upload your app to TestFlight using Xcode. Follow these steps. To upload your iOS app to TestFlight, make sure you have an active Apple developer account, Xcode installed, and your project properly configured. Start by opening your project in Xcode. From the top toolbar, select a real device or any iOS device as the build target. Do not use a simulator. Now go to the product menu and click on Archive. This will start building your app in release mode and packaging it for distribution. Once the archive is complete, Xcode will automatically open the Organizer window. In the Organizer, you'll see a list of archived builds. Select the most recent one, then click Distribute App. Choose App Store Connect, then select Upload. Xcode will guide you through several steps, including verifying your app, signing it with the correct provisioning profile, and checking for any issues. When prompted, confirm the app's details like version number and build number and continue through the process. After validation, click Upload to send your build to App Store Connect. Once uploaded, go to appstoreconnect.apple.com, log in, and navigate to My Apps. Select your app, go to the TestFlight tab, and you'll see the new build processing. This may take a few minutes. After it finishes processing, you can start internal testing or submit the build for Apple's beta review to allow external testers. And that's how you upload your app to TestFlight using Xcode, a clean, simple way to manage iOS beta distribution. Thanks for watching.